Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through a very unique thing, which is we're going to analyze the Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures daily time frame chart using three of the AI tools: the ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI, and Gemini. And let us see how these three tools perform when we give this same prompt and the question to these three tools. So I have given the chart, daily time frame chart of Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures, and asked the ChatGPT to recommend a stop loss, target, and entry and exit conditions. If you see, it gives you a very good analysis, and it tells you that there is a uptrend, and there's a bullish momentum, and it tells you about the support zones, resistance zones, and it tells you where to enter, what is the entry point to buy as well as a short entry, and what are the target prices when you take a long trade and the short trade, and what is the stop loss placement and exit conditions, and final recommendations. Similarly, DeepSeek also takes the same question, but what it says is, it instead of scenarios, it says, that there's a current downtrend, and there's a range. The market is within the range actually, and it says that you need to consider the key support and resistance levels, and there's selling pressure with multiple sell signals noted, and it tells again the entry point, stop loss, target, and exit conditions, and gives you the exact entry, stop loss, and target and exit. Whereas Gemini, with the same question, tells you that there's a downtrend again, and there's a recent bounce also, and it talks about resistance and support levels, and again it gives you a scenario based thing like a conservative short entry, an aggressive short entry, and a long entry counter trend. So this is just an analysis video to show you how you can use the recent AI tools to help you in understanding quickly some markets which you're unfamiliar with, and I hope this video will be useful to you. Yeah, thanks everyone for joining the video. Welcome to another session on the AI tools. So we had two sessions till now. The first session we have done a AI tool comparison. We took three tools. One is ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI, as well as the Gemini AI, and then we have also used the Grok AI, and the prompt that we gave for all those four AI tools was, we gave the Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures chart and asked them to, give us a stop loss, target, entry and exit positions, and we have gone through those videos. So today we'll do something different. We will analyze an AI tool, but we will do something different. Instead of technical analysis, we will focus on the fundamental analysis today and see how the AI tools perform in terms of fundamental analysis of a particular stock. So yeah, so I have selected Zomato here in the screener tool. This is a good tool for fundamental analysis. So it has everything here like profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow ratios, investors, and documents. So it has all this data here. Uh, what you can do is you can export to Excel this data, and I've already done that. So I've already exported the data, and then once you export, what happens is you'll get an Excel sheet, which has all the data basically. And in this sheet, you will get the data P&L statements yearly as well as quarterly, and balance sheet data and cash flow data. So what we need to do is now we need to give a Claude AI tool. This is a new tool that we are using today to see whether how it performs to do fundamental analysis. So we will take the data from here, the cash flow data as well as the balance sheet data and the P&L data, and see whether Claude AI can do analysis, the stock analysis, and recommend whether this is a good stock to invest or not. Okay, so this is the Claude AI tool. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, so it's taking some time to load. Let it load. Okay, so here we go. So what I have done is, yeah, what I have done is I have taken the screenshots of the profit and loss balance sheet as well as the cash flow from the screener tool, and I gave a prompt to this Claude saying, you act as a stock market fundamental analysis expert, and you analyze these financial statements, this profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement of this company called Zomato in the data tab, and tell me that it's whether it's a fundamentally sound investment or not. Okay, so it does a very good analysis actually. Let's go through what it says. So it says, that revenue growth analysis it does, and it says exceptional revenue growth is there, trajectory is there, and 7 year CAGR is approximately 59%, and recent growth remains at 71% year on year from FY23 to FY24. So growth wise, revenue growth is solid here. Profitability also, it achieved first profitable year in FY24 with 351 million net profit in rupees. Previously, there were consecutive losses from 18 to 23, and the company has shown loss reduction from FY20 to FY23. It was at 2,367 million rupees into FY20, and it reduced to 975 million in 23. And now it's in profit of 351 million rupees. Okay, and it says balance sheet health also it checks, and it says it has a strong equity position. Okay, and low debt to equity ratio. It has substantial cash reserves, and yeah, and it says there are some significant investments done by this company, indicating strategic capital allocation. Cash flow is turned positive. Okay, and net positive cash flow is 91 in 24, and it does some ratio analysis also. Current ratio is 1.5, which indicates healthy liquidity. Debt to ratio, total assets ratio is 3.2. Conservative capital structure, PE is 182.1. Extremely approximately 458, which is extremely high valuation is what it's saying. Market cap is 160.6 billion. So it does a strengths. It says that revenue growth is very good. Profitability has been achieved in the last year. Balance sheet is minimal debt is there. Operational efficiency is there, and positive cash flow is there. Okay. Only concerns are there is a history of losses. Only recently it became profitable. Very high PE ratio, which is a stretched valuation, is there, and administrative expenses are very high here. Selling and administrative expenses of around 56%, and cash position has declined from 23 to 24. And it says conclusion is Zomato demonstrates improving fundamentals with its first profitable year, strong revenue growth, healthy balance sheet. However, it can't be considered a fundamentally sound investment for conservative investors due to limited profitability history, extremely high valuation, and questions about sustainable profitability given the competitive food delivery landscape. If you, it even says that this would be suitable for those investors who are growth oriented investor with high risk tolerance, and who believe in Zomato's long term market potential and continued execution of its path to profitability. Conservative investors should wait for a long track record of profitability and reasonable valuation. So this is the analysis. It did a very good job actually. It did it in few minutes. It didn't take a lot of time, and yeah, so we can use the AI to do fundamental analysis also, not only technical analysis. So that of our AI videos which we are doing. So day before yesterday, we have done a video on Chat GPT and DeepSeek, as well as the Gemini, and we have seen how they compare to each other. So what I have done is, yeah, recently Elon Musk has announced that Grok is what they have developed. Uh, and I just wanted to, and there's a lot of talk in town regarding this grok, so I wanted to check how this grok is functioning with the same prompt which we gave day before yesterday for the other three tools, AI tools. So I gave a screenshot to this grok tool, and I asked it to analyze the daily time frame chart of Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures and recommend a stop loss, target, and entry and exit. Even signed up for this particular thing, Grok. So if you see here, it does a very good job. Again, it tries to um analyze our screenshot, and then it comes up with its analysis. So it says that the price action and trend is upward with some volatility, which is indicated by green and red candlesticks. And there is a lot of consolidation and sharp moves, suggesting potential trend continuation or reversal points. It is saying that the price is currently at this with a slight decline of 0.18%. And according to moving averages and indicators, it says multiple moving averages are visible and suggest trend direction and potential support and resistance. So it is behaving a little bit differently. It says that the price appears to be interacting with these averages, which could be acting as a dynamic support and resistance. So what it's saying is moving averages are acting as a dynamic support and resistance, and yeah, it is saying sell, buy, short, long signals there, which are strategy signals, and a red trend line near the top. And it is even seeing the demand and supply zones. So it is analyzing the indicators in the chart and the moving averages in the chart, which is a good thing, which the other tools did not do. Support and resistance levels. Again, it came up with the support and the resistance levels, and volume and candlestick patterns. It's also looking at. So it doesn't show explicit volume bars, but the candlestick pattern suggests strong buying and selling pressure at certain points. So it's saying this annotations and signals suggest there is a bearish sentiment or overbought conditions. Okay. Recommendations it's giving is, again, this is a scenario based approach that it's following. So it's saying bullish scenario, long position. So enter at the support level or the demand zone, and it's asking to target for the resistance level with a stop loss near if price breaks this support. And risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 2, which is suggestion from it. Bearish is again scenario is at resistance, enter a short position, and again, yeah, the target is at the support level. Stop losses if it breaks the resistance, and risk reward it's saying 1 is to 2. Time frame is daily chart, so positions may take days to weeks to play out, and you need to monitor this confirmation through bullish bearish candlestick patterns, volume spikes and breakouts. Volatility is there actually within this particular index, so adjust stop losses accordingly and position sizes to manage risk. So yeah, if you are using additional indicators, use them as an additional indicators to confirm the overbought and oversold conditions. So this is my you know review or use of this Grok tool, which is new in town, the AI tool, and I find it impressive. It is getting into details of moving averages and indicators on the chart, which is not done in other tools, and it is. Again, we're doing scenarios only. It's not doing anything high here, but yeah, it's a little bit detailed thing. It is analyzing what is there in the chart in a more detailed way. Thank you, everyone. So that's it for today. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks, everyone. Hey, hello, everyone. Welcome back for another video. So today we are going to go through this new AI tool called Perplexity. Previous videos we have gone through different AI tools, like we have compared three tools: Gemini, as well as DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT in the first video. The second video we have did a review of Grok AI, and the third video we have done a analysis, fundamental analysis on the Claude AI. So this Perplexity is another AI tool, and this is a continuation of our series, the AI tools series. So yeah, so we will do something different today. In the last videos, what we have done is we have given the Nasdaq 100 futures chart to different AI tools and asked them for a stop loss target, as well as entry point and exit point. And in one of the other videos, Claude AI videos, we have done is we have did a fundamental analysis in Claude AI video, which is completely different. But here also we will do something different today. So what we will do is we will take this Perplexity, and what we will ask uh, this particular tool is to write code for us. Okay, so PineScript code, which is used in TradingView. We will ask this particular tool to write the code in PineScript. So this is the prompt I have given to this Perplexity tool. So I have asked it to write, PineScript code for the strategy of 45 WMA crossing above 200 EMA, along with RSI above 60 and ADX above 25, and generate a buy signal when this condition is met. Okay, take target profit as 2% of capital deployed and stop loss as 1% of capital deployed. And let's assume the initial capital to be 1 crore. Okay, so this is the prompt I gave to it, and it has given an answer to me. Okay, so which is very interesting. So it's able to write uh, code, PineScript code, which is actually very useful if you want to generate, if you have the strategy in your mind, and if you want to just generate the code, you can use AI to generate the code, and it's writing the code actually for you. So this is the code that is written by the AI tool. So if you see, this is the code it has written, and it has not only written the code, but it also put some notes here, like what is the initial capital, as well as the currency used and the risk management and plotting. And it says, you open the Pine trading view and go to Pine editor and copy paste this into the script to the editor, and then add it to chart. Okay, so I've done that already. So what I've done is I've taken this code, and I'll go to Pine editor. So this is the code. I have taken this code and I have added it to the chart, and you see, this is the indicator that came. And if you can see, it is plotting the 200 EMA as well as the 45 WMA, and you can see, like, when uh, you can have a downward view here based on this indicator. So yeah, it is doing a good job. It is able to write the code, which is nice. So, and we can use this code, and we can give similar strategies to it, and see how it performs. So Yeah, this is what I want to bring to your attention, guys. So, Perplexity. This is a new tool we get reviewed today, and we have asked it to write the code, and it has written the code for a particular strategy that we have given, and we are able to put that strategic code and check also in TradingView. That's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone for joining the video. Yeah, bye. In our AI series, so today we will discuss two more tools. One is this Node GPT. So what this does is, it summarizes. It's an AI summarizer and generator for enhanced learning. So it can summarize, YouTube videos, PDFs, PPTs, images, so it can summarize. So if you have a lot of content and like you're feeling like I have to read all this, and you just wanted a summarized version of that content, it may be a video content, PDF content, or PPT content, then you can use this. It summarizes it for you so that you can quickly learn things. So this is 10 million summarized videos and 10 million summarized PDFs and 45 million AI notes and 1 million learning users. Okay, so summarize any content and generate a mind map. So these are the features in this Node GPT. So what I've done is, I've taken a YouTube video which is on financial markets. Just an example, I've taken some random video. You can take any video. It's not like, this video has to be taken, but I just took it for example. So once you take this video and you run it, then what you need to do is you just need to click on this generate a transcript,
and we try to read the footprint properly.
And then it generates a transcript. And if you want to click view summary, so this is the summary. So it gives you the summary. What is this video all about? Like main points, like and then it tells you the key insights from that video. So like if you say, this provides a key insight of all the entire video. So you need not go through this 17 minutes of video. You can just read this, so that would be quicker for you to um, know the content. Okay, it even writes essays. So if you want to create essay, it will create an essay also out of it. Okay, so essay also it will create. So this is the Node GPT. So this is very useful if you want to summarize content, and it will help you to learn quickly. Okay, so next thing is this any summary. So this is a different tool. So what this tool does is, so if you see this any summary, yeah, so any summary. So it has this interface where you can upload a different format of files like PPTX. It even access MP4, PDF, docx, JPG, PNG, wave, CSV, and summarize from URL option is also there. So what I've done is I've taken this guide of AmiBroker URL, and I've pasted it in this summarize from URL, and it has given me the summary of that entire URL. Similarly, you can do the videos also. That is a restriction. How much, like it only supports 10 MB, I think, for a video to summarize on a free version. Otherwise, you have to purchase a paid version. But yeah, just to let you know, this summarizes the all these files. If you have all these files, it and you upload it, then it summarizes. I took this AmiBroker registration video URL, and I gave it to you, and it summarized that content for me. Okay. So that's it, guys, today. So we have gone through this Note GPT, which summarizes video, YouTube videos, PDFs, PPTs, etc. And we have seen one video where it summarized, based on timestamps, key insights it provided, SS also it generated. Then we took one URL, and we went into this any summary. We gave that in this summarize from URL, and it summarized it for us. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our AI series. So today we will go through Gravity Right. So this tool is content creator AI tool. So if you see their website, this is their website, and you can see it can write blogs, it can do AI websites for you, and it can do image generation also. A lot of things are done through this Gravity Right, but it's mainly content generator. And if you see their main USP here, they say it helps create amazing original content that ranks number one on search engines. Okay, so that is what they're, and they say image generation, blog writer. So these are all the, a lot of companies are using it. Top companies are using it. So yeah, so it's number one blog writer also. Okay. And yeah, so if you go through their so yeah, this is the blog writer section. So if you just ask it to write a blog, let's just give it a blog. Okay, enter your blog title, it is saying. So I'll just say leadership and strategy, generate a blog. Let us see what it does. Okay, I have to sign in. Let me sign in. I'm signing in. uh, Yeah, let me give it again. Leadership and strategy. Create outline using AI. Okay, English create outline. So see, it is generating the entire outline for our blog. So these are the key traits of leaders, distinguishing leadership from management, winning strategy, decision making for leaders, and so on. So it generated a entire outline for us for the blog. Okay, and then it's saying generate intro. So it is saying, you see it is generating the blog content now. Okay, so the first section, introduction, it has generated the content. Similarly, you can generate content for each particular section. Okay, so it says subscription has expired, but that's fine. So it does generate blogs for us, and that's what it is, his its unique selling point. Okay. Yeah, other than that, it also has a lot of features. If you see within it, it has a lot of features in terms of content generation. So it has blog tools. These are all the different blog tools. It can generate title for a blog, content for a blog. It can rewrite an article, YouTube wise also, it can do a lot of things. It can create an idea for you, a content, a thumbnail for of YouTube, viral shots it can do for you. Okay, a lot of things, in terms of content it can do in terms of blogs, YouTube, and even SEO tools also, it can do a lot of content generation for you. And social media tools also, it can do a lot of content generation. So uh, these are all the different options that are available within this tool. But I took this hook generator and I just gave AI tools is my main topic, YouTube script. People want to learn about AI. So let us see what it generates as a hook. It's writing. In the meantime, we can, there are a lot of other options also here. It has a lot of tools like e-commerce tools, advertising tools, product management tools, website content tools, 2D animation, 3D animation, movie scripting, and HR tools, education tools, and idea generation tools, and even music tools and filmmaking tools also it has. Okay, so AI film script also it will write, AI image generation it will write do, and movie trailer scripting also it will do. So in terms of content, I think this is an all-in-one tool where it can generate the content. uh, okay, so this hook generator is still working, is writing. Not sure why it is taking so much time. Let me refresh. Okay. Yeah, try once again. So AI tools. Okay. AI tools. Content is YouTube. Audiences, people interested in artificial intelligence tools. Okay, so there is no subscription limit. I can't do anything now. Okay. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our AI tools series. So today we will cover 11 labs. So this is a tool which is basically it can deliver high quality. It's a voice generator AI tool, and it can deliver high quality human like speech in 32 languages. It's good for audiobooks, video voiceovers, commercials, and more. And if you see, these are the use cases for it. It can do text to speech, speech to text, voice changing it can do, dubbing it can do, text to SFX and voice cloning it can do. So these are all the things it can be used for: text to speech, audiobooks, AI agents, podcasts, sound effects, dubbing, voiceovers, and voice cloning we can do with this. So if you see this, this is a text which is already there in the tool, okay, and there are different voices of people. So let's pick this Brian's voice from America. We have similar different voices. So let me pick first America, then a Hindi voice, okay. So let's see what it does.
The 11 Labs voice generator can deliver high-quality, human-like speech in 32 languages. Perfect for audiobooks, video voiceovers, commercials, and more.
So that was Brian's voice. Let's take Indian voice now, Hindi, and Alice. Alice. So yeah, Alice will speak in Hindi now. Let us see.
The 11 Labs voice generator can deliver high-quality,
No,
human-like speech in 32 languages.
no, I think
Perfect for
that's
audiobooks, video voiceovers, commercials, and more.
so that,
प्राचीन भूमि एल्डोरिया में जहां आकाश रहस्यमय रंगों की छायाओं से रंगा हुआ था और जंगल पुराने रहस्यों को फुसफुसाते थे, वहां एक ड्रैगन था जिसका नाम जेफिरोस था। डरावनी कहानियों के विपरीत जो ड्रैगन के बारे में थीं और जो मानव दिलों को आतंक से भर देती थी, जेफिरोस चमत्कारों और ज्ञान का प्राणी था जिसे उसके अस्तित्व के बारे में जानने वाले सभी लोग पूछते थे।
so see you can. This is a predefined text, and it was spoken in Hindi. So they have some predefined texts in Hindi, and I think similarly there are other languages also. A lot of other languages are there. Tamil is also there, and yeah, Arabic and Greek is there. So a lot of languages are there. Russian is there. Okay, so yeah, based on the prompt, it is speaking even in Hindi also. So let's see. We'll go to audiobooks is there, podcast is there, dubbing is there. So let's do text to speech again. So get started. And so this is the text to speech. So I logged in, and this is the text to speech version. So let's it's saying introducing scribe. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. So I'll ask it to narrate speak in different languages. Let us see this scenario where it speaks in different languages.
English has the most words, with over 170,000 in the Oxford English Dictionary. Le français est connu pour sa sonorité mélodieuse et ses expressions romantiques. Deutsch ist berühmt für seine zusammengesetzten Wörter wie Rindfleischetikettierungsüberwachung, Saufgabenübertragungsgesetz. Riben Yuha, Fusa Napyoki Shistemuto, Doktok no Kego Taike de Shirareteimas. उर्दू अपने फारसी, अरबी रस्म खत और शायराना रिवायत की वजह से मशहूर है।
So say this is how it is able to speak in different languages, and it has text to speech capabilities, and yeah, you can use it for speech to text also, and sound effects are there, voice changer is there, and dubbing is also there. So this is a tool I want to introduce to you guys. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our AI tools series. So today we'll go through this Weed.io. It's a AI video editor. Okay. And it has different features. What it does is it converts text to video, and it also has avatars, AI avatars. You can there are already existing avatars you can use within the videos. It does auto subtitles, voice translations, and it also does video compression. Okay, so these are all the different features in this Weed.io. So what I've done is I have gone and signed up for this particular tool, And again, it has this AI text to video. I gave the same prompt of the show which I gave to in video, and then I generated a video from there. And what I did is, after that, I this create a avatar video is there. Okay, so here I have used different avatars will be there here, like this. I selected this avatar, Maya. This avatar, Maya formal 2. Okay, and yeah, I selected this avatar, and then it gave me a final output. Okay, so final output it has given. So this is a video where a avatar uh, will this, basically it's a text converted to video with an AI avatar. Okay, so let me play it for you so that you know how it converted it.
D. Shaw and Company. D. Shaw and Co. LP is a multinational investment management firm founded in 1988 by David E. Shaw and based in New York City. The company is known for developing complicated mathematical models and computer programs to exploit anomalies in financial markets, and is recognized for its expertise in quantitative analysis and high-performance computing. With a focus on risk management and capital preservation, the company has expanded its operations to various locations worldwide, including the United States, India, China, Singapore, England, Luxembourg, and Bermuda. D. Shaw's equity and equity-linked strategy fund, D.E. Shaw Valence, ranked 18th on Penta's top 100 hedge funds in 2016, demonstrating the firm's strong performance in the financial sector. The origins, from academia to Wall Street. D. Shaw and Company, a multinational investment management firm founded in 1988 by David E. Shaw, has its origins in academia. Shaw, a former Columbia University computer science professor with a PhD from Stanford University, started the company with an initial investment of $28 million from Donald Sussman's Paloma Partners and several private investors. The company's early employees were primarily scientists, mathematicians, and computer programmers, reflecting Shaw's academic background and emphasis on quantitative analysis and high-performance computing. The firm's first office was located above a bookstore near New York University, and it has since expanded to 15 offices worldwide, including locations in Silicon Valley, Houston, Kansas City, London, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Tokyo, and Hyderabad, India. D. Shaw and Company's trading activities encompass stocks, bonds, options, futures, warrants, convertible securities, and other financial instruments, and the firm has grown substantially since its inception, managing approximately $30 billion in funds by the end of 2008. Evolution of strategies. Since its inception, D. Shaw and Company has been at the vanguard of innovation in the world of finance. At the heart of its success lies a relentless pursuit of new ideas, coupled with a willingness to challenge convention and embrace change. As the financial landscape has evolved, so too have D. Shaw's strategies, adapting to new technologies, market dynamics, and regulatory environments. Pioneering quantitative trading methods. In its early days, D. Shaw revolutionized trading by applying advanced quantitative methods. Through mathematical, computer science, and statistical insights, the firm developed sophisticated models to analyze market data. This data-driven approach enabled D. Shaw to identify patterns and anomalies, outperforming traditional investors and consistently delivering strong returns. Expansion into diverse financial products and markets. Over time, D. Shaw broadened its scope beyond equities trading, exploring various financial products and markets. With expertise in fixed income, commodities, currencies, and derivatives, the firm applies its quantitative approach across multiple asset classes. This diversification allows D. Shaw to adapt to market changes and seize opportunities across different sectors. Embracing complexity and innovation. D. Shaw excels in innovation, constantly pursuing new strategies and technologies to stay ahead.
So that was the video, guys. So it is still there. So I just wanted to give a glimpse of what it has generated. Um, so this tool v.io, it is a AI video editor. You can have avatars here. Other than text to video conversion, you can have avatars and these and yeah, I basically took some text from web and asked it to create a video with an avatar, and this is what the video is. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. So this is another tool v.io, where you can have avatars, auto subtitles, and even it does video compression also. So yeah, thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our AI tools series. So today we will discuss about Bolt tool. So this is a new AI tool, and it helps to build websites as well as mobile apps based on the prompts we give to it. So what I've done is I've tested this particular tool. I have given it a prompt, and the prompt I have given it is create a Citadel inspired website. Okay, and Citadel, what is Citadel? Citadel is a, top hedge fund in the world, and this is the website of Citadel, and this is how it looks. So I asked the Bolt AI tool to take inspiration from Citadel's website and create a new website, and it has come up, with all this analysis basically, and it's saying, I'll create a modern professional website based on Citadel's design aesthetic, and it will focus on putting the information related to financial technology and institutional trading, and it uses Tailwind CSS for styling and Lucid React for icons. Okay, then it has said, what is there in the website to me, like a striking hero section with professional background image and clear value proposition, key statistics of the company scale and reach, core capabilities and the main services the company offers, and the compelling call to action, and then a professional toolbar, and different UI elements that it has prepared. And I told it, I was not able to preview the website, but then it even did check the development server and gave a preview to me. So this is how the preview looks like. So if you see, this is what AI has prepared, a website based on inspiration from a existing website, and it looks fantastic here. It has like solutions, markets, technology, careers, about, and it has a background image, and it says, leading the evolution of global financial markets through technology innovation and unparalleled expertise. And it says we are managing some, these are random statistics that it brought from the website, internet, and prepared this website. It has done on its own by it getting inspiration from Citadel's website. Like it says, 50 billion assets are under management, 45 global markets, 1200 professional team, 24/7 operations. So it came up with certain statistics, and then core capabilities also, like quant trading, global reach, risk management, and a call to action, like contact our team if you want to transform your trading. Okay, and then it says these are the solutions we give, as well as this is what the company is, and this is the legal terms and conditions, and then a trademark symbol here. And I asked it to deploy the website that it coded, and gave a preview, and it deployed it also. And this is how the actual website deployed looks like. So it has like solutions, markets, technology, careers, and about here, and this is how the page looks like. Okay, it is looking very good. So I just wanted to bring to your attention this new tool called Bolt, which, based on certain prompts that we give to it, it can prepare websites for us and even mobile apps for us. So that's it for today. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to another video on our AI series. So today we will continue our series, and what we will do is we will go through this new AI tool, which is called Suno. And what it does is, it develops lyrics and music tracks based on the prompts provided to it, and it's very interesting actually, and very nice tool. So I tried it. I tried this particular AI tool, and this is the prompt I gave: like create lyrics for our new company SRA T3, whose motto is work hard and play hard and deliver high quality research content and build leaders around the globe. It should be fun, energetic, and futuristic. And it did create these two. Uh, what do you call music for the company? So if you hear, so this is how it sounds. Okay, let me start it. And not sure if this music is getting recorded or not, but this is how it sounds. Okay. Yeah, so this is the one, if you see. So it did provided an anthem. So this is one of the track that is generated. It provided two tracks for us. So this is the second track. Okay, so that's it for today. So those are that's what I wanted to cover today. So this Suno app, basically what it does is once we give a prompt to it, it generates tracks for us, musical tracks, and this is all AI generated tracks. And yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks everyone for joining this session. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video on our AI tools series. Yeah. So today we will review the Microsoft Copilot AI as well as the Facebook's Meta AI, and this will be a short video. But yeah, I just want to go through these two tools also as a part of our series. So I have taken this Microsoft Copilot and yeah, I gave a similar script which we did like yesterday. Like I asked it to write Pine script code for 50 EMA and 200 EMA crossover, and yeah, and it has said that it can do that, and it has written code also. So if you see, this is the code that it has written, and yeah, and it says, whenever the 50 EMA crosses about 200 EMA, it triggers a buy signal. So this is a buy signal one code here. And also it says, when it crosses below the 200 EMA, it triggers a sell signal. And this is a sell signal code. So it is able to write code, Pine script code, Microsoft Copilot. This is a tool here. So I just wanted to bring it to your attention. So parallelly, what I have done is I have taken this Meta AI. So Meta AI does something different. Actually, it allows you to generate images as well as role play an interview and few things it does. So I have taken it has a lot of things within its. So if you go, these are the three options within this Meta AI. So I have chosen this option, imagine an image, and here you have multiple options again, and you can just select. I selected this elephant in space option, and then it generates images like this. Okay, so it generates images like this, and then you get an option here to animate them. So once you click on animate, it animates them also, and the quality of the images is very very good actually, and animation also is very very good. If you see, it has generated a very good animated images here. Okay, so this or the two tools. I just wanted to bring these two tools also as a part of our series. So Microsoft Copilot, the Microsoft AI tool, it has written a Pine script code for us for 50 EMA crossing over 200 EMA, and Meta AI has generated the images for us, animated images for us of an elephant in space. Okay, that's it. Thanks everyone for joining this video. Yeah, thank you very much. Hi everyone, welcome to another video in our AI tools series. So today what we will do is we will go through two tools. One is Merlin and the other one is Flicky. So Merlin, this tool, what it does is, so if you see here, it has a lot of features within it. So yeah, so it has AI chat facilities, okay, and so it does a lot of things, and these are all the features that are there within Merlin. So it can write essay for you, it can do a literature review for you, it can rewrite the sentences for you, paragraph rewriting can be done by it, external formula generator can be done by it, and it can detect AI content. It can generate a face for you, avatar generator, image generator, a character generator, portrait generator, profile picture generator, logo, painting, tattoo, and AI, Flux AI, free AI baby generator. All these are there, and it has even a grammar check, paragraph generator, and language translator and paraphrasing tools, and random sentence generators and rewording tools. So these are all the different, it has a lot of features. So what we will do today is we will use this language translator. So I was checking for some tool, which AI tool, which translates my English videos to Telugu or Hindi, and I found this Merlin. So this has a language translator. I have one blog which I write. So this is the blog, the 7 principles of strategic decision making. I took some content from it, and I pasted it in here. I just pasted that content within this Merlin and asked it to translate from Hindi to English to Telugu. Okay, and it did translate it from English to Telugu. Then what I did is there's another tool called Flicky. So Flicky is used. These are all the different features in Flicky. It can do text to video, idea to video, text to speech, block to video, image to video, templates, thumbnail makers, video editors, A voiceovers, A avatar, voice cloning, PPT to video, product video, translator, and screen recorder. And these are the use cases it is used for: content creation, training videos, internal communication, and so on. So localization and translation also it does. So okay, so these. So what I have done is I have taken the content which Merlin has produced in Telugu from English to Telugu, whatever we have converted by using Merlin, and I have used Flicky. So what I asked Flicky to do is, okay, take this text and prepare a video image for me. So it has this text to video feature within it, and this is localized content being done by AI. You can do the same in Hindi also and in any other language. It has Merlin actually has translation into multiple languages. I selected Telugu, but it supports multiple languages. Actually, it even supports a lot of other languages. If you see, these are all the different languages supported by Merlin. Okay. Yeah, so let's see this Flicky. Flicky has taken my text, which is the uh, the localized text in Telugu, okay, or translated text in Telugu, and did prepare a video out of it. So let's just see what AI prepared for us. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I think my Bluetooth is on. I need to shut that off. Okay, just give me 1 minute.
క్షత్రియుల కర్తవ్యాల నిర్వహణకు 7 ఉపాయాలు. క్షత్రియ మార్గం. క్షత్రియులకు వారి కర్తవ్యాలను నిర్వహించడానికి 7 విధానాలు ఉపాయాలు ఉన్నాయి. సమ, అనుకూల ఎన్నికల కళ. దానం, ఒకరి లక్ష్యాన్ని సాధించడానికి జనరస్ డొనేషన్స్ కళ. భేద, ఒకరి వ్యతిరేక దళాల మధ్య వివాదాన్ని పెంచడం యొక్క కళ. డాన్, శిక్షణ యొక్క కళ. మాయ, మోసకాల రీతులు లేదా మాయల కళ. ఉపేక్ష, ఒకరి లక్ష్యాన్ని సాధించడానికి ప్రజలను ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా పక్కన పెట్టడం యొక్క కళ. ఇంద్రజాల, జలసేతు యొక్క కళ. సమ, దానం, భేద, దండ అనేవి హిందూ శాస్త్రాలలో సూచించిన 9 పొలిటికల్ పద్ధతులు, ఏ విధమైన పరిణామాన్ని ఎదుర్కొనడానికి ఉపయోగించాల్సింది.
So you saw, how we have taken, English content from my blog and used Merlin to prepare a localized content in Telugu. We can do the same in Hindi and any other language, Tamil and so on. So it generated a localized content. Then we used Flicky, which converts text to video, and this localized content video has been generated by Flicky. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone for joining. Have a nice day.